Drainage. The term drainage describes the river system of an area. Look at the physical map. You will notice the small stems following the different directions, some together from the main river, and which ultimately drains into a large water body such as lake or a sea or a ocean. The area drained by a single river or an ocean system, the single river system is called a drainage basin. A closer observation on a map will indicate that any elevated area, such as mountain or any upland, separates two drainage basins. Such an upland is known as a water divide. Drainage system in India. The drainage systems of India are mainly controlled by the board refill feature of the subcontinent. Accordingly, the Indian rivers are divided into two major groups: the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. Apart the organization from the two major psychographic regions of India, the Himalayan and the peninsular rivers are different from each other in many ways. Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. It means that they have water throughout the year. These rivers receive water from rain as well as mountains. The two major Himalayas year receives as well as from melted snow from the lofty mountains. The two major rivers, Himalayan rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, originate from the north of the mountain range. They have cut together the mountains, making griots. The Himalayan rivers have long courses from their source to the sea. They perform instimate erosive activity in their upper courses and carry huge loads of silt and sand in the middle and the lower courses. The rivers from meanders, oxbow, lakes, and many other disposable features in the floodplains. They also have well-developed deltas. What is delta? Source of river, then upper course, middle course, meander. Meander is when the river curve. It's called meander. Oxbow lake, when two lakes get like one curve and one curve. Lower course, like lower course. And delta, when the water is separating and the river disposing her all waste material like bottles, plastic bottles or stone, big stone. So it's called delta. A large number of peninsular rivers are seasonal as their flow is dependent on rainfall. During the dry season, even the large rivers have reduced flow of water in their channels. The peninsular rivers have shorter and slower courses are compared to their Himalayan counterparts. However, some of the originate is in the central highlands and flow towards the west. Can you identify two such large rivers? Most of the rivers of peninsular India originate in the western Ghats and flow towards the Bay of Bengal. The Himalayan rivers. The major Himalayan rivers are the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These rivers are long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. A river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. The Indus River System. The river Indus rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Flowing west, it enters India in the Ladakh. It forms a particular skew gorge. In this part, survival tributaries, the Zakar, the Nubra, the Shokya, and the Huzna join it in the Kashmir region. The Indus flowed through Balistan and Gilgit and emerge from the mountain at Attock. The Satluj, the Bees, the Ravi and the Chenab and the Jhelum join together to enter the Indus near Malmitkhonta in Pakistan. Beyond this, the Indus flows southwards, eventually reaching the Arabian Sea east of Karachi. The Indus Plain has a very gentle slope with a total length of 2900 kilometers. The Indus is one of the largest rivers of the world. A little over a third of the Indus basin is located in India, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and the rest is in Pakistan. The Ganga river system, the headwaters of the Ganga called the Bhagirathi, is fed by Gangotri glacier and joined by the Alaknanda at Devaprayag in Uttarakhand. At Haridwar, the Ganga emerged from the mountains of the plains. The Ganga is joined by many tributaries from the Himalaya, as a few of them being major rivers such as the Yamuna, the Ghagra, the Gandak, the Kosi. The river Yamuna rises from the Yamotri glacier in the Himalayas. It flows parallel to the Ganga as a right bank tributary meets to the Ganga at Allahabad. The Ghagra and the Gandak is the Kosi rises in the Nepal Himalaya. They are the rivers which flood parts of the northern plains every year, causing widespread damage of life and property, where they enrich the soil for agriculture use. The main tributaries which come from the peninsular uplands are the Chambal, the Betwa and the Son. These rises from semi-arid areas, have shorter courses and do not carry much water in them. Find out where and how Ganga they intimate join the Ganga.